Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Bitcoin on our daily time frame for another little daily update. Looking like we've been heading up in this little channel type formation for a good little while here. The 4 hour looking a little bit more clean, as you can see. We've been testing into these highs and lows of this kind of channel heading up in a bullish market structure, but looking like we're putting in some really thick and juicy bearish divergences. As you can see on our RSI, we are losing momentum to the upside here, and we are in an area where we are at a key level of resistance. Obviously we're still in and around, I would say, that 100k area. As you can see here, we could easily get a nice deviation of this and come down and get a retrace. I think after such a long period of up only for Bitcoin, we are looking like we are teetering on the edge of a big retrace, in my opinion. As you can see here, massive bearish divergences coming in. We are near that 100k level still, and we have broken through that 127 Fibonacci extension, but we are, as I said before, in a big area here of resistance, and the higher that we do get with these bearish divergences, kind of grinding our way to the upside here, as you can see, the more chance we've got of having a very, very significant retrace, just to clear out some of the leverage in the market, and also just to basically clean up this chart and get a nice bit of balance put back into the markets. You can see if we measure from 53k up to 107k, we've basically done a 2x on Bitcoin from here to here, and really a 50% retrace would take us back down towards 75k of that move. I don't think we'll get potentially that much of a retrace down to 75k, but I do think this 80 to 85k area here, especially considering there's probably a ton of leverage below this level here, heading back down to this area for a nice retest and continuation, I think would be very, very possible going into the next few months, which would obviously decimate altcoins again before that final push to the upside, where we get that absolutely crazy flying to the upside price action that we do see in proper bull markets. You can see here we haven't seen any kind of retrace really at all ever since we broke that 70k level, so we could see ourselves getting a retrace from this move, which is slightly less of the overall move that we saw from the lows down here. You could say we've got a move all the way from 50k to 107, 108k, which would be absolutely insane. But I do think we could and are likely to get a retrace of at least this local move, maybe from down at this point back down towards this area where the leverage will be most consolidated underneath this move here. I do think from that 80 to 90k area is going to get retested at some point, because we have seen up only syndrome for Bitcoin for a few months, and we are at a key level of support with bearish divergences. We're losing momentum to the upside in this little channel here. I do think if we break down from this channel and back test like this, we'll be heading back down towards this the bottom of this area of structure pretty quickly, for at least a retest down towards 85k, maybe even getting a deviation below down here before getting a pickup. I think something like this, maybe a bit more up and sideways, followed by a breakdown, back test, and then coming down to here, sweep the liquidity and then continue to the upside. I think this would be a fairly likely scenario for Bitcoin. Right now we're just chilling and waiting to see what's going to happen next, but overall this chart looking exceptionally bullish and overextended, probably in my opinion due for a bit of a pullback. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.